Hey all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So in previous tutorial I have given you some task in which the wheel was moving in just one direction, like either it was moving forward or it was moving left or right. So I was expecting different approaches from you guys. So let's discuss how we can achieve that. Let me open my Unreal. Okay, it is up. So okay, think I have to remove it. Yes. Yes, so I think we were here. Let me compile my engine again. So in my what I have done locally, I just have removed some curly braces which were making like visibility was not that good of my code. So okay, let's see how it was looking. So left and right it was working, but when we were moving forward it was not showing correctly. And we have also rotated our camera, like just to have the visibility correct. So first thing what we will do, so this is the spring arm. We have set some offset 40 just for the look, but we can actually switch it to 0. Next thing is we can pull these 4 tires down. So like let's select the scene component. Make sure you are selecting them correctly, and for the location I am setting the offset to be 60, so they looks cool. But it doesn't matter, like you can also place them here and there, but as we have written our code enter function, so it will position them correctly, so it doesn't matter. Okay, yes, it is working fine. Okay, so what we can do, see, like we have attached these wheels separately inside the blueprint. So what we will do, we will do one rotation in the scene component which we are doing, like left and right, but all other rotation we will do it in the static mesh of the wheel one, like the forward rotation one. Like, so let's go to the static mesh this, and let's see in which axis we need to, like, put the rotation on. And I think this will be the pitch. Yes, so let's go to the IDE, and in the take function, in update vehicle force, when we will go downwards, we had a function called add local rotation which was adding the rotation to the wheels. So this is this holder does contains the information of the scene component. What we will do, we'll scene component holder wheel arrow index comma get child component, and I want the first child, that's it, and add local rotation. Yes, that's it. And I will so we have seen, like in our previous tutorial we have seen the calculation how we have got this, so I will just copy paste it, and that's it. We don't need anything extra, and we can remove this line of code. Control B, let's see. Okay, left and right working. Awesome. So this is working pretty good. Okay, now the second thing is you can ask, like when I am pressing right or left the vehicle is moving, like which is not possible. See, like I am not actually moving my car, but still it can rotate at one axis. So what I can do, I will check if there is already some velocity or not. If it is there, then I will apply the rotation. So how we will check that, we had a function called get physics linear velocity, so I will use the same, and dot size squared is greater than like maybe 2 or so. Like I'm just having some number here, like I don't want if like no speed is there, like I'm not pressing the forward button, still we can move, so I don't want that. I just want to have some linear velocity, then we can move left and right, that's it. So control V. You can ask why I have put the size as squared 1, because if you will put the direct size, it will calculate the square root of the value, which I don't want, so that is why this size is squared. Okay, so that's it. Let's check. It is still there. Let me body mesh squared size. Let me tweak the value to 30, or I'm doing something wrong. Let me check. Velocity, linear velocity. Yes. We can do one more thing actually, because the value which we are using right now, the value which we get from the physics linear velocity is centimeter per second, and I am more familiar with the kilometer per hour, like this the standard which we do follow here, it is in kilometer per hour. So what I will do, I will just velocity, and I will multiply it with the 0.036, and then I will check if it is greater than 30. Okay, let me put the size here. I'm not worrying about the square, just because of the tutorial. So okay, so now your question should be like, why I am multiplying the 0.036. So for this calculation, let me take the pen. So it is like centimeter per second. So first let's check about the centimeter. I will have to convert the centimeter to the kilometer. So 1 meter is equals to the 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is 1 meter is equals to 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So I will have to divide this value with 100 to convert like this centimeter to the meter, and again divide by 1000 to convert meter into the kilometer. So this centimeter is converted into the kilometer. For the second, we have to divide 60, so it will convert this seconds to the minutes. Again I have to divide 60, so it will convert it to the hours. So 0, it will cut these to 0 down. So here we have 3 zeros, and 6 into 6 will be 36, and there are 3 zeros, so 0.036. So you got my calculation. So this is how I got this number, 0.036. And so if the speed is greater than 3 km per hour, then I want to rotate. And I will do one more thing. I will print the value, UE log temp warning, comma. What I can actually do, I can see out the value directly. Okay, really sorry, I just have to get the value from here, and velocity is okay. So this should be easy. Control B. So the console is here. Let me check. Okay, this is weird. I'm not pressing any button. Let me check again. So let's do one more thing. What we are doing, we are only updating the right value if it is true, else I will put it as 0. So right axis value is equals to 0 if nothing is there. So control B. Okay, yes, now it is working fine. I'm pressing left and right, it is not working, but as I'm going forth, then it is working. Cool, this is actually good. this is fantastic. So let me correct my camera now, because let me like zero it down, compile, save, and check. Yes, awesome. This is fantastic. So the now awesome. Awesome. So previously it was rotating like without forward axis, but now it is working like a real car. So this was it for today. I hope you have learned something from me. If you like this tutorial, please do and subscribe button. And I'm also on Patreon, so you can help me out there too. Thank you.